up with your body. Every day discovering something brand new.
So before we enjoy the hyaluronic acids, we're going to show you a video about the history.
Hyaluronic acid. The hyaluronic acid was discovered in 1934 by Carl Meyer and John W. Palmer of Columbia University, New York City, from bovine vitreous humor, and then developed at Karolinska Institute in Stockholm. In the early 1960s, other scientists discovered its presence in different human tissues and clarified its central role in cell metabolism and the physiological tissue repair processes. In the late 1960s, two large pharmaceutical companies, Pharmacia in Sweden, now the Pfizer Group, and Fidia in Italy, began to manufacture products containing HA on an industrial scale. In the 1980s, Helon, a cataract treatment developed by Pharmacia and Conatavina, a burn treatment developed by Fidia, generated demand for kilos of HA. Alternative sources were essential, and the best was identified with coxcomb. During the 1990s, Reiser Pharma devised and patented a version of HA with a high molecular weight, HMWHA, which is particularly suitable for oral care. It has biomimetic characteristics. The molecule is similar to that normally present in the oral mucosa and possesses excellent anti-inflammatory properties. Now, the HA used by Reiser Pharma has a wholly biotechnological origin based on a process first devised in Israel. Hyaluronic acid, also known as hyaluronin, participates in the wound healing process, playing a particularly important role in its initial stages. And it's an essential factor in the re-epithelialization of epidermis. Its oligosaccharides promote angiogenesis and stimulate the production of collagen by the endothelial cells. Reiser Pharma. Thank you.
So hello everyone, today we're going to explain about hyaluronic acid. So first we're going to explain what is it. Hyaluronic acid is a super moisturizer and nourishes the natural moisture in your skin, which acts as both a toner and a moisturizer. It has been called fountain of youth. Its function in the body is, amongst other things, to bind water and to lubricate movable parts of the body, such as joints and muscles. So the second part we're going to explain about where it is found. Hyaluronic acid is found naturally in most every cell in the body and occurs in high concentrations in specific body locations. The third part we're gonna explain about is why do people use it. Hyaluronic acid can retain 1,000 times its weight in water. Its ability to bind to absorb water is key to helping skin stay hydrated, retain its elasticity and resilience, and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is a key reason why the acid, a hydrating sugar, excites the skincare industry. For example, people use hyaluronic acid and convert it into many cosmetic products. So the fourth thing we're going to explain about is the benefits that hyaluronic acid has. The first benefit is able to penetrate the skin's upper layers to improve and benefit the skin when applied topically. Next, it can protect the skin from UVB rays. Can also provide an antioxidant defense against environmental assault. The last two benefits are hydrate the skin and help to maintain normal joint cushioning. So the last thing we're gonna explain about is how does it work. Hyaluronic acid works by acting as a cushion and lubricant in the joints and other tissues. In addition, it might affect the way the body responds to injury. It's time for DIY time. So now we're gonna show you how to make a hyaluronic acid serum. So let's begin with the DIY. First we need a glass bottle, then we need something to mix with. Then we need 1 gram of hyaluronic acid. We take 100 milliliters of water and then we put 1 gram of hyaluronic acid into the water. Start mixing it and you will see the mixture become very gelatinous. So we will leave the mixture overnight in the fridge and the next morning you will see it's very sticky. So you already have your own serum made out of hyaluronic acid at home.
Right at the very start, hands on each other, couldn't stand to be far apart. Closer the better. Now we're picking fights and slamming doors.